So a brief video about how to improve your text and graphics in Movavi using PowerPoint. Now in the first case we want to create a artistic sort of washed out effect where we bring the graphics up on the screen in a particular font. In this case we want Aharoni. So I've set this up in PowerPoint. You can see it's number 2, oversized relaxed trousers. It's got a white background and it's got Aharoni text. So I now want to save this away. So file, save a copy. I'm going to call it TRO2. And I need to save it as a PNG. This one here at the bottom. And save it, just this one. There we go. So I brought TRO2 in on just above the timeline into Movavi. As you can see, I've set the opacity here down from 100%, which was the default. Take it down to about 50%. Here we go. Depending on how you want it, how washed out you want the presenter to be, I take it down to about 50%. I do a bit of fade in as well, just to soften it and a fade out. And so now you can see when it comes in.
So, the second type of trousers are oversized, relaxed trousers. Now, I don't know about you, but as a slightly short...
So that was what's wanted. It's in the correct font. Got that nice washed out effect with a fade in and fade out. The text comes in, but you don't lose contact with the presenter. But PowerPoint has some very good graphics, so maybe you want to take advantage of some of that. So in this case, we've got our message about all the links are listed below in the comments.
To have such a wonderful community there. So all the links to the items that I've worn are in the video description underneath this video if you'd like to pop down and have a look.
So it's got a slightly three-dimensional effect, and it's got a beveled edge. So I created it over here in PowerPoint, and of course you can set a background and you can bevel the edges and so on. It's got a bit of a silver look. I put it on a green background, and then of course when I bring it into Movavi, as you will see, what I've done is to apply the chromo here. If we look, it's got the chromo key on and it's picture in picture. So I managed to move it down to the bottom. I put the chroma key on, which took out the background. Now here on PowerPoint, I've created a couple of arrows. I've got this one here, which is straight down, but I've got a gradient on it in terms of color, and I've turned it slightly sideways. This one is more of a three-dimensional shape, and you can see I've got to put a slight glow on the edge of that. It's all on the green screen, so I can save that away. I can import it and take away the screen. So here's an arrow that I've created in PowerPoint. As you can see, I've called it 3D red arrow. It's a PNG. So I brought it in. It's on a green screen. I put the chroma key on, and as you can see, I can place it wherever I like. So I can position it as an overlay exactly where I want. I can obviously make it bigger or smaller by making it picture in picture, for example, dragging it out to the size I want, and of course rotate it. What I like about this particular shape is that it's three-dimensional. I've got a bit of a reflection on it, and as you can see on the side. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Bye.